What if your home keeps getting messy, not because you are doing something wrong, but because you do not have a system that supports you? A lot of people rely on motivation to keep things clean, but motivation fades. Systems do not. Every night, Nina told herself she would clean up later, but later never came. So instead of trying to fix everything, she tried one thing: a basket. Each night, she walked through her home and collected anything out of place. 5 minutes, that is it. And slowly, everything changed. Mess is not a failure, it is a system problem. Create reset systems, daily, small, and repeatable. Reduce decision fatigue. Simple habits win. Design for reality, not perfection. Make it easy to maintain. Ease equals consistency. Where does clutter build up? What system could solve it? What takes less than 5 minutes? Small systems change everything. You only have to start with one. I hope this encourages you. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you would click the like button. And if you want to know more about decluttering, you might want to click the link in the description for my book on Amazon, Declutter Without Losing Your Style.